Check out this beauty at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1959 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Little history about this car. It was originally a California car delivered to Bakersfield. I was there until 2016, originally owned by the wife of the sales manager at that Ford dealership. In 2005, new owner did a frame-up restoration on it, and it shows. We'll do a little walk around in this. I'm going to show you the vehicle, get into some details on it. He repainted it to brandy wine red, black interior, and it's stunning in person. This is a cool car, 59 Thunderbird. Check out the chrome. Bumper, grille. Chrome shows well. Paint definitely still shows well on this car. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see that paint practically looks wet on the hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 352 V8 4-barrel engine underneath the hood. Tranny and engine also gone through, rebuilt at the same time the car was restored. Power steering, power tops, power windows. And look at how straight this thing is. You can tell there has not been a bunch of body work done on it. It's riding on wire wheels. Those are not wheel covers. It's a wire wheel, wide white walls, and the radials. This car's going to go down the road nicer than it did when it was new. There's no doubt about that. Fender skirts on the rear. And then take a look at this interior. Also in beautiful shape. Center console. And you can see the power window switches there, seat belts up front. There's also a protective dash pad that will come with it. Wasn't hiding anything, just there to protect the dash. So I took it off so we could see the top of it. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And consult with your sales associate about that warranty protection plan if you'd like to know about it being extended. Chrome on the rear, looking good. Dual exhaust. Those taillights, surrounds on taillights, all nice and clear. And then again, take a look at this paint. I'll show you how the power top works at the end of the video. We're going to start it up here shortly, let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. But first, remember, take your time looking through the still pictures. Again, original California car. Take a look at the undersides. You'll be able to see the trunk with the top down, with the top up. Same way with the car. It's a black fabric top. It is also in nice shape. As we take a look down the driver's side, again, you can see it's free of really any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a little tiny rock chip touch up here or there, but boy, they're few and far in between on this one. What a great car for summer or parades, local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Hey, just going for some ice cream. Put the top down and enjoy. Check out the door panels. And again, take a look at the seats. Very little wear. It's obviously been reupholstered and in very nice shape. Very stock looking dash and interior. And I'm going to show you something before we actually start this up so you can probably hear me just a little bit better. Right down here to the left is the trunk release. Right behind this key, let me see if I can get it right there, is the trunk release. Push it in, it's going to release the trunk. That's actually where the power top switch is. It works very slick, and that's the way these came factory. We're going to get into that shortly. First of all, let's start it up. Let's hear it run. Every time I've started this car, that's how it starts. Turn the key, and boom. Here's the fuel gauge is working. That was a cold start, by the way. Wouldn't expect the temp to be up. Odometer reads it's like 78,865. I can't confirm or deny if that's original miles or not. Since once the car's sold, it will not stay on the title. It ends up being marked exempt. Take a look at the top of the dash. You'll see some of the pictures with the dash pad also. You'll see some without. So again, it's not hiding anything. Power window switches, power windows function as they should. And let's go ahead and pop this hood. It's one-handed. Beautiful underneath the hood too. .352 4-barrel, power steering, nice, clean, tidy engine bay, as you can see. Smooth runner. Battery disconnect over here. Looks good, sounds good. Alright, what I'm going to do is, let's see if I can do this top with the camera in my hand. I think I probably can. First of all, I'm going to pop the rear trunk. Lift that. You do have the release right here. And it's going to take me 2 hands, so I have to hold that trunk all the way out of the way. But let me go through this real quick with you. So, trunk lid, when the top is up, this handle pulls out, and this, I guess, parade boot, if you will, or kind of convertible cover, that will fold under. So when the top's up, don't need that part there. So that's how you get that under. The switch for moving this top is going to be right here. So up and down. Got a little note on here so you know to lower the top, push the lever down, to raise the top, push the lever up. So that's how it's going to raise up, but it's going to take 2 hands, so I'm going to hold that deck lid out of the way and raise it up. Tell you what, let me pause this 1 second and I'll get that top up and we'll check that out. Here it is with the top up. Nice fit above the windshield. Power top functions as it should, of the side glass up, so you can see that with the top. Black fabric. Say about like new. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Clear rear window. And the passenger side. No surprises on the top. What a beautiful car. 1959 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Check out all the pics, over 100 pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing this on YouTube. Phone number 507-386-1726. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1959 Ford Thunderbird. Nice red on the outside, black on the inside with chrome accents. This is an automatic on the column. Our turn signal indicators work well. Speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is reading half. Temperature is reading a quarter. The factory radio does work. Works very well. There is a protector on the dash. Looks like carpet. That's just to protect the dash from cracks, which it is crack free. Blower motor does work. The wipers work. It's a nice smooth ride, a great road tripping car. Once I get straight here, if I let go of the wheel, there's no pull to either side, it's nice and straight. Not even much for wind noise in this convertible from 1959. '59 and '60, some of the biggest years for style and size. Accelerates as you would expect. Very nice '59 Ford Thunderbird. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.